Hello everyone, I'm DK Sharma here. Today I'll just give you very beautiful tips. Learn English through Hindi. Right now I'm just telling you a very beautiful tips. You have to just observe my lecture. Whatever I'm just giving my lecture, you should observe my lecture because it has been rightly said that if you want to be a very good speaker over there, first of all, you should be very good listeners. So, I would like to just suggest you, my dear students, if you want to just improve your English, you should watch new English videos. You should watch, you should listen BBC News. You should listen and you should watch English news, English movie, so that you could improve your English. You can improve your English from English lecture. That's why, because I have just narrated in the back time, if you want to be very good speaker over there, you must be very good listeners. Because it is said that practice makes a man perfect. You must have heard about this stanza. करत करत अभ्यास के जरमती होत सुजान रसरी आवत जात के सिर पर परत निशान. आपने ब्रजराज का नाम सुना होगा. यानी अभ्यास करने से, लगातार अभ्यास करने से जब कोमल रस्सी घिस जाती है तो इंग्लिश कौन बड़ी बात है भाई. इंग्लिश कौन सी बड़ी चीज है. यू वांट टू बी अ वेरी गुड स्पीकर बिकॉज इंग्लिश इज अ very easy language, because it is only a language and languages are spoken. You can make your language very easy. Today I'll teach you English through Hindi. First of all, if you want to be perfect guy in English, you should improve your English first. First of all, you should create some English sentences and you have to just translate these sentences into English. That's why for these you must have good knowledge about words and their kinds. You must think about, you must work on regular use sentences, the regular use words. I'm just giving you some examples. I think that, which means we can say in Hindi, मैं सोचता हूं कि, I mean to say that, मेरे कहने का मतलब, it seems to me, मुझे लगता है, according to me, मेरे अनुसार, the matter is fact, बात यह है कि, सच बात यह है कि, the fact is that, बात है यह है कि, which means you can create some Hindi sentences, then you can make these sentences into English. That's why learn something Hindi for better your English. That's why I'm just giving you some sentences. Okay? I mean to say that, which means in Hindi, मेरे कहने का मतलब, I mean to say that, मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि, अब आप इस सेंटेंस की मदद से ढेरों सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि आप एक अच्छा वक्ता हैं. I mean to say that you are a good speaker. मेरे कहने का मतलब आज मौसम अच्छा है. I mean to say that it is fine weather today. मेरे कहने का मतलब पंखा चल रहा है. I mean to say that the fan is moving. मेरे कहने का मतलब आप लोग अच्छे शिक्षक हैं. I mean to say that you are good teachers. मेरे कहने का मतलब आकाश नीला है. I mean to say that the sky is blue. In the same way, you can take second sentence age. According to me, मेरे अनुसार आप सच बोल रहे हैं. According to me, you are speaking the truth. According to me, you are speaking truth. You are speaking the truth. मेरे अनुसार आप एक अच्छा गायक हैं. According to me, you are a good singer. मेरे अनुसार सड़कें मरम्मत की जा रही है. According to me, roads are being repaired. मेरे अनुसार हमारी क्लासेज चल रही है. According to me, our classes are going on. आप ढेर सारे सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं for improve your English. If you want to improve your English, first you should learn about Hindi. After that, English. Because you are just going to learn English through Hindi. Because we all are Indians. And Hindi is spoken in entire India. That's why English is not our native language. It is a foreign language. Hindi is our native language. That's why we faced lot of difficulties to learn English. People face lot of difficulties to learn English because English is not our native language. Hindi is our native language. That's why we face lot of difficulties. So first we should make very good environment. We should choose some students. We should choose some brilliant student. They are intelligent at English. And we should talk one another, right or wrong. From the very beginning, we should talk each other right or wrong. Because we are fresher. From the very beginning, we are freshers. That's why we should talk each other. We should talk one another right or wrong. After 1 month, after 1 week, after 2 months, after 3 months, after 6 months, after 1 year.